Today we will discuss two terms, uniform motion and non-uniform motion along a straight line, and we will discuss position time graph related to these motion. When an object is said to be in uniform motion, two terms we will consider, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. When an object is said to be in uniform motion, specifically we are going to consider motion along a straight line. So an object is said to be in uniform motion along a straight line if the object is going to cover equal distance in equal interval of time in same direction. Then it is said to have uniform motion. And if object is going to cover unequal distance but time interval remains the same, then the object is said to have non-uniform motion. Both these cases, uniform motion and non-uniform motion, better clarity will be there when we will consider these cases. First case, we are going to consider an object is at rest. So this is our origin. This side we are going to consider x-axis. So here we are going to consider distance of object as the time is passing. So in this case, object, when we have started our measurement, when time t was 0, then it is at a distance of 2 meter from origin. This is at a distance of 2 meter. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When time is 0, when you have started your observation, the object is at a distance of 2 meter from your reference point or origin. Time is 1 second. Time interval 2 second, 3 second, then also object distance from reference point will remain the same, 2 meter. So if this case I want to represent in the form of a table, then this will come in this form, in tabular form. This side we are going to have time, this side we are going to have position. So when time t is equal to 0, position is 2 meter. Time t is 1 second, position is 2 meter. Time t is 2 second, then also position 2 meter. And if time t is 3 second, then also position 2 meter. And if you will draw position time graph for this particular case, then this graph, when time t is 0, 2 meter, 1, 2 meter, 2, 2 meter, 3 second, 2 meter. And when you will join all the points, then you will get a straight line parallel to time axis. So if an object is stationary, if an object is at the state of rest, its position time graph will be a straight line parallel to time axis. In this case, time will change, but position of object will remain unchanged. So what we have done in this case we have considered object at the state of rest. Then we are going to consider graph, position time graph for an object at the state of rest. So it will come out to be a straight line parallel to time axis. Second case we will consider case of uniform motion. In this case, let us consider when you have started your observation, when time t is equal to 0, object is at origin. And after time interval 1 second, the object is at a distance of 2 meter. Then after 2 second, it is at a distance of 4 meter. After 3 second, it will be at a distance of 6 meter, like this. So if we will consider it in tabular form, then this is time, this is position. When t is equal to 0, x is also 0. After 1 second, distance covered is 2 meter. After 2 second, the distance covered is 4 meter. So graph flotation will be position time graph. When time t is equal to 0, position is 0, this point will come. Time t is equal to 1 second, position is 2 meter, this point will come. Time t is equal to 2 second, position 4 meter. So when we will join these 3 points, we will get a straight line. But this straight line is not parallel to time axis. This straight line is inclined to time axis. So for this object at the state of rest, we are getting straight line. For object in uniform motion also we are getting straight line, but there is difference. This line is parallel to time axis. This line is inclined to time axis, though both are going to be straight line. This type of motion, when the object is going to cover equal distance in equal time interval. See here, in 1 second, how much distance covered? 2 meter. Then again in 1 second, how much distance covered? 2 meter. So in equal time interval, distance traveled also equal, then this type of motion will be known as uniform motion. And here we are going to consider motion along a straight line in same direction. Means in these cases, distance and displacement is going to be same. This type of motion, uniform motion, this object at the state of rest, and this motion we will consider non-uniform motion. In this case, when time t is equal to 0, your object is at origin. After 1 second, it is going to cover a distance of 2 meter. Then after 3 seconds, after 2 seconds, it is at a distance of 3 meter. Then 3 seconds also 3 meter, 4 seconds also 3 meter. It means time taken to cover this much distance is 1 second. Then in this 1 second, it is going to cover a distance of 2 meter. Then in again 1 second, it is going to cover a distance of 1 meter only. Then again time interval is changing, means time is changing, but the distance covered is going to remain the same. This type of motion, where you are going to have unequal distance in equal interval of time, this type of motion will be known as non-uniform motion. So in the form of table, when time t is equal to 0, position is 0. At t is equal to 1 second, distance covered 2 meter. T is equal to 2 second, this much distance covered, this is 3 meter. Then 3 second, 3, 4 second, 3, it is like this. So when you will draw the graph will come out to be like this. This is a straight line parallel to time axis. It means this is a state of rest. This is a 1 second time interval. Here distance covered is 2. Then in 1 second time interval, further distance covered is 1. In this 1 second, there is no change in position. Distance covered will be 0. In this time interval, otherwise total distance covered till now is 3. What is distance covered in this time interval? Then this distance will be 0. In this time interval also, distance covered is going to be 0. So position of object will remain the same. So we have done uniform motion when the object is going to move along a straight line in same direction and covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, if an object is moving along a straight line in same direction but covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is said to be in non-uniform motion. So related to all these things, few questions I am going to share with you, which you can try. And in these questions, you will keep in your mind, if you are getting a straight line parallel to time axis, object will be at the state of rest. If straight line is there but it is inclined to time axis, uniform motion. If you are getting a curve like this, then this type of motion will come out to be non-uniform motion. Straight line, you have to consider whether it is parallel or it is going to be inclined to time axis. So in this case, you have to tell whether this type of variation is possible or not. Here also you have to tell whether this graph is possible or not. In this case, you have to draw the graph for position time graph for uniform motion. In this case, for these notations, you have to tell which type of motion, uniform, non-uniform, or object is at the state of rest. And question number 5th, statement is given. You have to draw the graph, and then for these time intervals, you have to specify the motion.